welcome back to our channel Take Two. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make playlist on Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you download the app, open the app and sign in. Now on your interface you can see options like all, music, podcasts, and at the bottom you can see home, search and your library. Tap on your library. Once you do that, you can see at the top right corner there's a plus sign. Tap on it and from the menu prompting off from the bottom, tap on playlist. Now all you have to do is give your playlist a name. Then tap on create. So go ahead and tap on add to this playlist. Then now tap on the search bar and type in the name of the artist or name of the songs. Then select the plus sign right beside the songs that are suggested by the Spotify. Select the songs. Then Spotify is going to recommend songs similar to the songs you just added. Add the songs. Then go back and guys, you can find that playlist on your library. That's how you make a playlist on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.